Equipment that I bought in the first week. The first thing that I started with was a small little ring light that has a fold holder thingy on it. I started with it and I just used it for like 2 days. I was very obsessed with YouTube, so I decided to upgrade. Before I talk about the next lighting that I got, the same day that I got a small ring light, I got a Apple USB cord. I use it when I record or take pictures through my phone, and I use the wire connected to my computer. I am able to send my phone pictures or videos to my computer so that I can start editing my videos. After I got those things, I wondered, how the heck do I put music into my videos? And how the heck do I find music? So I started doing research and I found this one website. I believe I purchased it for about $15 a month, but if you want it, it's called epidemicsounds.com. I've been using it for like a week now and I've been loving the music. It is definitely better than having to look everywhere throughout YouTube to find free music. No, I'd rather just pay $15 a month and get music right there. And when you download the music, it's super fast. It just literally straight goes to your files and that's it. You just put the music in your editing website and edit it. It also comes with a lot of sound effects that you guys can use for your YouTube videos, like this or this or this. Now I got this one editing app that is free 99. No, just kidding. It's just free. It is called CapCut.com. It is perfect for editing, and I probably won't be paying for an actual paid service in editing because this one is way too good for me to even want to switch it. But yeah, you can get this app on your PC or your phone. You guys will also need a recording app that you guys will be using to record stuff that you record on your PC, and it is called OBS Studio. It is also free, but just make sure you are doing research in order to get the best settings on your app. I also recommend a microphone. I didn't buy this one in my first week. I already had this before starting a YouTube channel. I just had one because I used to do a lot of gaming with my friends and I would talk to them. But you might want one so you can sound better on your YouTube videos. The one that I am using is called a Blue Yeti. I do recommend it, but you just have to kind of learn how the settings work and basically kind of learn how to use it. Back to my updated version of my lighting. It was a $53 ring light that I got from Walmart. I am still beginner on learning how to use a ring light or any type of lighting to the best of its ability, but if you do like my lighting right now, I do recommend to get one. Everything that I am mentioning here, I will try to get the link and put it in my description so that you guys can go check them out. The last thing that I got on my first week of YouTube, I feel like I started going a little bit overboard with the amount I am spending on YouTube at this point, but I got a camera called ZV-E10. I do recommend this camera. It works very well, mostly as a beginner on YouTube, but I am also still beginner on learning cameras as well, so I'm kind of learning what the best settings are and stuff still. But it did cost me $980 including taxes. I don't assume that anybody can buy this, but I did have the money. But now that I did spend money on this camera, which was somewhat expensive, I am kind of running low with money, but it was an investment, so I think it's worth it. But yeah, that is everything that I purchased in my first week of YouTube. Sorry about the noise in the background, but I hope this helped, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Back in that again. Whoa, yeah. Hey. Back in that, yeah. Tell them to watch it. Now I ain't talking my pockets, just know we ain't running out the way that we stock it. If I got it, you got it. If I call it, she slide and tell her to mop it. Yeah, I got that shit doing. Damn, she took that thing.